Thank you for joining us. We're here to sign House Bill 720, House Draft 1, relating to firearms. Thank you so much for joining us. House Bill 720 would require firearm owners to report lost, stolen, or destroyed firearms within 24 hours upon the discovery of such loss, theft, or destruction. Hawaii has a firearm registration process that ensures that firearms are possessed only by individuals who meet stringent requirements and are properly vetted. This information is kept in a national and local databases that law enforcement officers Sure.
Just really want to thank the governor and the administration and the Senate and HPD for all their work on this. I mean, it's really a labor of collaborative spirit that we got here. Every firearm that can be accounted for is one that doesn't end up in the wrong hands, and that's what this is all about. At the end of the day, preventing crime, saving lives. So, thanks so much.
Thanks. Senator Nishara, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, I guess I'll ditto his comments. Governor, again, thank you. And certainly, Chris, I think it was good working with you.
Turn around. So.
Oh, so I think on my back of my head. Anyway, I'd like to thank Chair Chris for doing such a great job. And I think it was good collaboration between the House and the Senate. We appreciated the efforts on both of the committees working it through. And I think the fact that we're all here today to have seen that the outcome, which is a very good one for police and public safety as well, that it's an important one for the whole community. I think we want to make it safer, and I think we've probably will achieve that with this.
Firearms is now law in the state of Hawaii as Act 23. Congratulations.